Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford Focus. We're going to start right away up front. I'll look down the passenger side here. You do have alloy wheels. Taking a look there at the wheels. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side before we swing around to the back end. On the back, you do have a rear backup camera. Taking a look inside of the trunk now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seat, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside just to kind of show you some of the features that you can expect to see. You have cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls mounted to the steering wheel. Full stereo, that includes your CD player. You also have your climate controls here. And of course your automatic transmission. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Focus on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.